OctaveHQ is built to improve your go-to-market motion. So today let's look at how it works, the onboarding, who is it for, the pricing, and all of its interesting features. Because as you can see, it's designed to completely change the way of your GTM from the old way to the new way you see right here. So once you sign up, you'll see something that looks like this. Before you can start working with Octave, the Octave needs to learn about your company and your stuff. So first, you need to create a playbook. You select what product you're selling, it pulls it right away from your domain name. You select the focal point of your messaging, basically what to focus when creating your copy. Let's do the sector one. And then you can select who to actually target. So for example, SaaS startups, lead gen agencies, sales managers, SDRs, click continue. Then you select your unique selling points or the desired result your product helps those targeted audiences achieve. So for example, automated email infrastructure setup with the best deliverability. Director, right? Chief marketing and CMO maybe. Let's do that. Continue. And accept all of these. They're pretty good. And we click generate new playbook. This way, this is the onboarding, the setup. You let the AI know about your company and learn everything about your product so it can actually help you, right? Okay, as you can see, the playbook has been generated. You have the description, the insights, the strategy, the approach, and you can always refine it and edit it. You can look at the value propositions, add more if needed. As you can see, we have, it's updating how many prospects it can actually target based on our instructions that we gave it, or the filters, the data, and then used by. Here you'll see what agents will use this exact playbook. Now to complete the setup, we need to add a reference if need be, right? Click add new. Generate. Here we go, we have reference customers. This is kind of used like a case study, right? And then we have a custom writing style. If you want, you can add it. You don't have to. Of course, let's create new style. Funny, you change the tall to neutral. You select the reading level. The easier it is to read, usually the better it is. Of course, if you're not contacting fintech and those kind of higher echelon kind of companies, right? As long as you're targeting normal people, being simpler is better. Extra short, average sentence, one paragraph, Octave, focus on pain, initiate conversation. That's the call to action. You should always do a soft CTA. So this is soft CTA. Scheduling a meeting would be a hard CTA, and everything else you can just create, right? Up to you, but you can create different styles for different kind of agents, right? And that's it. The onboarding is done. If you ever need, you can add more information to your library. Here you add more products, more information, your targeting personas, your use cases of your product, your case studies, all of that stuff. You just do that by clicking here, add library element. Now, if you'd like to create some templates, you go to templates and click create new template. You can create different templates for different scenarios. So for example, for cold outreach, for inbound, warm outbound, yada yada, who is it for? You can create for whoever you want. You can click, let's click this one. Again, the goal, awareness, because it's cold, it's unaware, continue. You select the product, continue, additional settings. Let's do 2 steps, generate the template. And let's see what it gives us. And here you go, we have a simple template generated. 2 steps, just like we selected. It added custom variables such as prospect's first name, their company name, our signature. Another step, just like we wanted to. If you want, you can adjust it between pains and benefits, between shorter, longer, casual, formal, whatever it is, or add a custom prompt to change it. If it's good, you save it, and here you go. You have a template generated for you that you can use. Also, if you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing. Thanks, and let's get on with the video. Now, of course, the most important part, you can actually go ahead and build an agent by going to agents. You click build new agent. You select what you want the agent to do. Is it outbound, cold outbound, inbound, or custom? You select all the instructors. You select the model you want to use. Each model uses a different amount of credits. You select how many steps you want. You select the writing style. You can select from the ones you created, of course, let's say funny one, or create a new one. You select the input. Is it LinkedIn profile? Is it just email or name and company? I select other settings right here, like including signature, parse, email sections, custom instructions, whatever you want. And simple as that, you add a LinkedIn profile. Will it let us save? Save. And you can run the agent. As you can see, it's thinking, it's doing its stuff. Right away, as you can see, it successfully generated the emails. We selected 4 steps. It created the initial email. Hi, Frank. Given Salesforce does this and that. We ask about the pain point, right? So it's super simple. Email, super short because we added it to have 1 sentence, short emails, quick. And this way it actually initiates a conversation, which is our goal, right? We don't want to book a meeting right away. We want to spark a conversation and later on we book a meeting. So as you can see, it did everything and you don't have to do nothing, right? You just click run agent and it will actually start doing these steps for you, meaning you don't have to put it anywhere. You don't have to send emails yourself. I didn't do any writing myself. I didn't research about this prospect. I didn't research about Frank Saunders. I just set up all of that stuff once, my type of messaging, tone, benefits, case studies, all of that stuff. I set it up once and I built an agent to reach this person again on my instructions, and that's it. Right? I don't have to do this over and over again. I set it up once. Whenever I want to reach out, I use this, simple as that. Another thing you can use in Octave is your prospector, meaning this is where you can search and find people right in the app itself. So for example, let's say, HeyReach. We found HeyReach.io. We found all of the people working for HeyReach, and we can reach out to anyone we actually want. Maybe Igor. You click export, you can export to Clay, you can download the 50 results to a CSV, or if you're on a plan, you can export as many as you want, 10K limit. So, and simple as that. You may be thinking now, how much does it actually cost? Well, you get 100 credits, try it out for free, but after that, it's 119 bucks per month if you're doing yearly, or 150 bucks per month if you're doing monthly. For unlimited workspace, 4 offerings, 8 playbooks, 24 agents, 4,000 credits, email and chat support. If you want more agents, more credits, you can go for $500 per month, or $1,000 per month, or get in touch for a custom plan. This could supercharge your top performing sales reps by allowing them to do everything much faster by using AI instead of their own brain, right? They build up, they kind of make templates and instructions based on what they know the best, and they use it over and over again as a template, as a structure to actually generate emails and outreach much faster. But now, if you think that this is not for you and you would like everything automated, from infrastructure to lead finding to writing the emails and sending them, if you want all of that automated without a human in the loop, you should take a look at Agent Frank. Agent Frank is fully autonomous AI SDR, an AI sales agent that builds infrastructure for you, finds leads, writes the copy that's super personalized and unique to each recipient, sends out emails, handles objections, replies to prospects, and books sales calls all autonomously. So if you would like to take a look, I suggest you watch a video right here. Otherwise, let me know what other tools you want me to review next. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.